IT use in health sector. IT use in health sector in numerous ways. In hospital, the hospital management system is used to maintain and manage patient records as well as various activities to the hospital administration. So we know that nowadays without computer you cannot think our life. So the computer has plays a vital role in hospital also. So the computerized machines are used for ECG, EEG, ultrasound and CT scan, etc. The variety of measuring instruments and surgical equipment are used to monitor patient's condition also during the complex surgery time. Expert system is used for diagnosis. Health and care manufacturing companies are also. They used the computer to aid the production of diagnosis tool and instruments. So let me discuss few. Use of ICT in diagnosis. With the advancement in computer hardware and software technology, various high-tech machines are used in the diagnosis. We know that. So the first one is CAT. You might even heard this name before also. Computerized axial tomography machine, CAT. Using this machine, three-dimensional 3D images of different parts of body can be made. These images are helpful in the diagnosis of diseases. Next is MRI, magnetic resonance imaging machine. MRI machines are used to give the digital impression of internal organs of the body by using strong magnetic field and radio waves. The digital images are very helpful in the direction and in the deciding that the treatment of diseases. Next is ECG. The ECG machine is used to monitor the heartbeat. When the heartbeat pumps blood to different parts of body, some electrical impulses are produced. This machine can record the electrical pulses and shows it in the form of graph. Next is EEG. This machine is used to record the activities of the brain. The small electrical probes attached to the head receive the electrical impulses of the brain and display them on the computer screen. This device can retrieve the data in both states, where a patient is awake or when he or she is in sleep. Next is blood sugar testing machine. This device analyzes a sample of blood and determines the blood glucose level. BP machine. BP measuring machine. You have heard this name before? Blood pressure measuring machine. This machine, this device which is worn as a wrist band can measure the blood pressure of a person at rest or when he was involved in some physical activity also. So these are the certain tools you can use in computer in IT health sector.